I'm going to show you how to use a tennis ball to practice and get the feeling of delivering your bowl. We're going to stand on the mat, arms like this, and you're just going to throw to someone in front of you, just in the air, and arms straight. And you're going to do a couple of those. Now we're just going to do a walking step forward, body in the position that you're going to throw to, arm like this, just a walking step, and arms straight. Also going to do a couple of those, just a walking step. And now we're going to give a step forward and bend and stand up to the front. And we're going to do a couple of those as well. Arms straight, stand up, forward. And that is how you're going to practice with a tennis ball.